Welcome back, Crammers, to question 16. On the grid, rotate triangle A 180 degrees about 1, -1. Label the new triangle B. So first off, we have to find the point of rotation, which is 1, -1. So it is right here. Now note that when you rotate, the distance from the point of rotation will never change. However, we can see that we have to rotate by 180 degrees, which is simply a straight line. So let's see what we can do here. So if we see this point, we can then go down by 2 and left by 2. That means down by 2 and to the left by 2. We can do this again for the other sides. We have through here, we have down by 3 plus 2. Down by 3 plus 2. And then we have here, which is down by 2 and to the left by 4. So that means down by 2 and to the left by 4. So we can actually connect all these lines and see our new shape labeled as B is actually flipped. Notice how A is flipped to B about 180, same as when you do a 180 and you look back. On the grid, translate triangle A by the vector -7, 3. Label the new triangle C. Now, when dealing with vectors, the top number deals with the horizontal and the bottom number deals with the vertical. Being that if it moves to the left, it's negative. If it moves to the right, it's positive. If it moves up, it's positive. If it moves down, it's negative. So let's start with the vector horizontal, which is -7. So that means we have to move to the left 7 times. We have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then notice how it says 3 positive. So that means up. So we have to go 1, 2, 3. So we can put a cross here. Notice how this is translation. So the shape actually maintains its shape throughout. So if I check here and I go 7, 4, it still maintains. So it goes here and this goes here. We can draw all the lines together and now we have triangle C. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.